Hey, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to install this Tapo smart Wi-Fi switch. And this switch actually controls this exhaust fan up here. If you can see, the reason why we're installing this Tapo smart Wi-Fi switch is we want to add an automated timer on it. It has the ability to do that. So every time someone takes a shower, let's say you switch it on or you turn it on, it's gonna stay on for 30 minutes, or you can control it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But in our case, we are wanting to control it for 30 minutes or more to control the humidity and the water vapors in this bathroom, to control the molding. That's the whole reason we have this. Because sometimes you take a shower, you turn it off, you know, sometimes you don't come back or turn it on, wherever. So having a timer helps a lot. So that's the reason why we start. It's pretty simple to start. I've done this before. If you watch my other videos, again, this is from Amazon. We bought this with two set for like 21, 22 bucks or something like that. So you can get on Black Friday's coming up and get a real good deal on it. So, okay guys, so let's jump in it. Let's get started. So this is what we're dealing with. It's actually 4-wire. How to hook it up with 4-wire to 3-wire. Pretty simple. So first I'm gonna go ahead, take the cover off. Now, I'm gonna do this now, but once I get the cover off, I'm gonna go turn off the breaker. So make sure you turn off the breaker. Anytime you deal with electric, you always wanna turn off the power to the breaker. Again, this is controlling the exhaust fan. We want a timer on it. And the nice thing about it is you can adjust the timer. You can adjust the Wi-Fi too. It has Wi-Fi capability, so you can pretty much turn it on and off. The newer houses, guys, the new houses actually have 24-hour exhaust fan running because of how well the houses are insulated and built, airtight. So they're always constantly running. It's usually the main bathroom, the center of the house, so the air can circulate. Okay, so right now I'm just taking it off. I have not turned off the brake, but again, I'm doing this to show you guys, but make sure you turn off your breaker. So right now you see this has 3 wires, so we're doing a 4-wire. 4-wire, hear that? I'm going to show you how to connect to 3-wire, okay? So the breaker has been turned off, and to double check that, I have a voltage pen tester. This is supposed to test for current. Pretty simple. If it beeps, it lets you know that you still have electricity current going through. You can see there is none, so I'm good. I can start working on it. This Tapo light switch is pretty simple. This is a 4-wire, and you're dealing with a 3-wire. So all you got to do is you got to take your your ground and neutral wire. These 2 wires got to go with the ground, which is this. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take those 2 wires and we're going to connect it, or ground, link it together with the ground. Okay. And the Tapo light switch did come with these. So I'm going to go ahead and take the ground. And you gotta make sure, check with your local building codes if you can do this and your breaker can handle the conversion from 4 to 3, because some of the older houses you cannot handle the conversion. So make sure you can do that, okay? So here I'm gonna, since this is, we're using the screw to tie in the wires. I'm gonna straighten this out. Again, we're taking the ground and neutral. You guys can see that. Make sure the ground and neutral, and we're hooking up to the ground. We'll combine all 3 together. Screw it really tight. Okay, and next we're going to take the line and low and we're gonna go the line and low here. You're gonna take this wire, this is your line, your low, so the second wire, and you connect it to this one, okay? Unhook it, you straighten it out. Got the screw connector on. It's nice. These already been straighten out some more here. They have already been prepped for you to screw on. All right. Next, you're going to take the first wire and connect to the bottom of your light switch or your exhaust fan switch. And that's it, guys. And then you can hook it up. Straighten it out here. And that's it, guys. And now you're good to go here. Let me make sure this is, yeah, you want this up, okay? Push everything in. Make sure it doesn't pop. So when you do push your wire in, make sure the caps and stuff don't come off. I usually, since this is larger, you want to push all the way back and make sure the wire doesn't come off here. This one. And screw it on. And they come with screw 2. Okay, so the breaker is back on. You can see it's blinking. So now all you gotta do is connect it to your app. First, you gotta download your app, of course. I already have a couple Tapo in my house, so it's already. Okay, so the breaker is back on. You can see there's power. Let's test it out. You see, you can hear it. It's working. Off. And now you just got to download the app. I already have the app because I have several Tapo products already. You just got to tap add device. And then you got to find your model number, which is on the back here, on the side here. Let me see. Here. Okay, so I got the power back. So the power is back on. The breaker. So the breaker. I turn the power back on. The breaker is on. So I turn the power back on. You can see there is power. It's blinking. Let's test it out. You can hear it's running. Okay. Next you want to do is you want to connect it to Wi-Fi, which first you got to do is download the app. I already have the app, the Tapo app. You can locate that on your box here, and they usually tell you here where you can download it. Once you download the app, you just hit the plus sign up in the corner here to add device. And then this is a light switch here, and then you can find your model number right here on the side of the box, or the bottom. In this case, this is on the side. Tapo S505. Tapo I'm in the wrong one. light, my switches. Here you go. Tapo 505. This one. So you select that. Before we start, have you already wired up yours? Yes. Already orange and green. Yes. So it's looking for it right now. Found it. It's that simple, guys. And then you put in your Wi-Fi network. Once you put in your network and password, it's gonna link up and you can name it. That's it, guys. That's how you install your Tapo light switch.